That's what you call truck wrestling. On her back.
No, one. I want to complain. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eddie gets to the 3. She gets to the 3. Oh. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. We call it a draw. Don't end yet. Okay, round 2. Ready? Set. Go. Whoa. Why did you throw at me there, feet? Whoa, who said you were lying on your feet? Who said you were lying on your feet? You realize I was lying on my knees, right? Wanna go feet battle then? No. Round 3, 2 draws. Go. Back on the knees, back on the knees. My sister won.
You're such a good big brother. Just hang on, I gotta hydrate.
Alright. Okay, now it's time to come pick your bedtime snack, okay?
I think it's off.
Okay.
Did I shut it
Can you
off?
sleep with me?
No, because